Welcome! In front of me I have Polar Ignite, and I'm gonna show you how to apply the screen protection like glass or foil on this watch to protect it from scratches. Before we start, you will need a couple of things. You will need, of course, the glass protection or screen protector, basically glass, foil, whatever fits on your watch. And you will need something to clean your screen off with. I have dry and wet wipes right here. You could also try to find area where you have less dust in the air, because if you try to put the screen protection on your screen, the dust will be kinda in your way, and it's gonna be annoying if you have dust particles on your screen and you put it on and you will see the air bubbles under your screen protection. So try to find the dust-free environment. If you have hard time doing so, you could also go to bathroom, run the hot shower for a couple of minutes to increase the humidity in your bathroom. This will cause the dust to not fly around so much, and it should help with the dust problem. Okay, so once you have all of the things, we can continue. So first we need to clean the screen on our watch. I'm gonna use the wet wipe first, so I'm gonna grab it. Okay. Here we have it, wet wipe. Let's clean the screen off, like that. Let's wipe it for a couple seconds. Okay, now let's grab the dry wipe and dry the screen off, like this. As you can see, the screen is quite clean now. Make sure there is no dust particles or hairs or something on the screen before you apply the glass. You could use some kind of sticker to remove the dust particles from your screen. For example, piece of tape or something basically that is sticky. You can press it on the screen on the dust particles and it should catch them and take them off the screen. Okay, now once you're done with the cleaning the screen, you cleaned off the screen and you got rid of the dust and hair. Grab your protector, whatever it is. If it's foil or glass, just grab it. Take off the protective foil from the screen protector, like this. And this is the sticky part where the protection was on it. So take your screen protector, align it to your watch so it fits well, and put it slowly. Oh, this didn't go too well. As you can see, it's a little bit out of it could have been done better, honestly, but it's not too bad. As you can see here, we have a little more space than on the bottom, so I could move it a little to the top, but it's a decent work. As you can see, there is no air bubbles under it, and if you have some air bubbles, you can try to push them off by pressing your finger on it and just trying to push it to the edge of the screen, or rather the protector. And once you're done, you can take the wet wipe again and clean the screen protector. So it's clean, so let's grab it, and the dry one. And here we have it. It's little, like I said, misaligned. It could have been going a little higher, so there's no gap right here, but it is what it is. It's not bad, honestly. Okay, and that's how you apply the screen protection on this device. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.